Welcome to our channel, where we help you become a successful professional trader. In this video, we will discuss the best indicators that professional traders use to make informed trading decisions. Let's get started. 1. Moving averages. Moving averages are a common tool that traders use to identify market trends. A moving average smooths out price data over a specific period and helps to eliminate noise, making it easier to identify the direction of a trend. 2. Relative Strength Index (RSI). RSI is an oscillator that helps traders determine whether a market is overbought or oversold. A value above 70 indicates an overbought market, while a value below 30 indicates an oversold market. 3. Bollinger Bands. Bollinger Bands are a volatility indicator that measures the range of price movements around a moving average. The upper and lower bands show the price range, and traders use them to identify potential breakouts or reversals. 4. Fibonacci retracements. Fibonacci retracements are a tool that traders use to identify potential support and resistance levels. It is based on the idea that prices will often retrace a predictable portion of a move, and traders use this to make trading decisions. Conclusion: those were some of the best indicators that professional traders use to make informed trading decisions. It's important to note that no indicator is foolproof, and traders should always use a combination of indicators and their own judgment to make trading decisions. We hope you found this video informative. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more trading tips and strategies. Thank you for watching.